What's up, everybody? It's me, BNSF Weston here, and there's a train going by over there. Going right through the trees. Looks like it's a Z train. Yeah, the tree's wet. We had a big rainstorm. What's up, everybody? It's me, BNSF Weston, and I can hear the second train going by over there. Looks like that one is a eastbound empty oil train. Here in Columbia Falls, Montana. Train meet. Yep, second train over there. A westbound Z train, eastbound oil train.
That one's eastbound, I think that one's westbound. Coming from east, going to the west.
I've never seen a train meet before. Crazy. Gosh, my arms are tired from filming. So chilly out too. I don't have that much footage. I can get some footage. There, yeah, there's that one Z train. Man, hands are shaking. Let's see here. Guys, thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe to my channel. Guys, can you please just subscribe? I'd like you to subscribe. It would really help me reach 200 subscribers. When I reach 200 subscribers, I'm going to do this thing where I go to the west, the west crossing in Whitefish, Montana, over there, and I'm going to watch 5 trains in one day. I may live stream it too, so I'll see you guys then when I reach 200 subscribers. If you want to see me do that, let's reach 200 subscribers and we'll do that. Okay? This is that train. Guys, I'll see you guys for the next train. Goodbye. What's up, everybody?